Hello Kayami! Welcome to Bilma's Yummy Foods! Let's start by mixing the dry ingredients, the all-purpose flour, cornmeal, baking powder, the baking soda, cornstarch, and the salt, then whisk and set it aside. In a separate bowl, combine the softened butter and the sugar. Using a spatula, cream the mixtures. Add the corn oil and try to dissolve the sugar, then add the honey. Break the 2 eggs in a small bowl, slightly beat, then combine to the mixtures. Then add vanilla extract. Using wire whisk, whisk all the wet ingredients. Make a well, then combine the 2 mixtures, followed by the buttermilk. Click the link below on how to make DIY buttermilk. Then using wire whisk, mix all the ingredients until no dry ingredients left on the bowl. Please do not overmix. Then add whole corn kernel and fold into the mixtures. I separate some for the toppings. Grease the baking pan with the oil or a melted butter. I brush with melted butter. Then fill the pan with the corn muffin mixtures. I use a 1/4 cup, but you can also use a smaller or bigger baking pan. Then put as a toppings the extra corn kernel that I set aside and a small cube cheese. Bake the corn muffins on a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, but in 15 minutes, turn around the baking pan for even color. Here's the baked corn muffins in Kenny Rogers style. After baking, you can brush the top with honey or melted butter. Let me taste. See how moist these corn muffins. Good. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye!